Wow, what an incredible first day we had at the AI-powered learning masterclass. Seriously, we covered so much ground, really started to shift some mindsets, and built an amazing foundation for what's next in education. So let's jump right in and recap the biggest takeaways. And this is where it all started. This one powerful idea was the spark for our entire session. It's a reminder that we don't have to wait for the system to change. As educators, we are on a mission, and that change begins with a single bold step from each and every one of us. We kicked things off with this really powerful image. You see this massive log? That represents all the huge challenges in our education system. But that one person pushing, that's you. That's the educator who decides to take the initiative and start moving the obstacles our students face. It's such a powerful reminder that one person's courage can literally start a movement. Okay, so if we're the ones pushing the log, what's our plan, right? Well, that's exactly what we dove into in Section 1, laying the groundwork to cultivate students who are ready to thrive, not just today, but in 2030 and way beyond. And really, this first part was all about a huge mindset shift. We're not waiting for permission anymore, we are the change. It's about evolving from being a lecturer into a visionary learning leader. It's about using AI as this incredibly powerful tool to finally end learning poverty, giving that personalized support so no child gets left behind. And the best part? This isn't just for fancy schools with big budgets. This is inclusive innovation that works everywhere for everyone. And if you're wondering why this mission is so urgent, look at this number, 86%. That's the percentage of 10-year-olds in sub-Saharan Africa who are struggling with basic reading. This isn't just a statistic on a slide, folks. This is a call to action. It's a challenge that AI, in the hands of a passionate teacher like you, can really help us solve. Okay, so we know AI can help, but how does it actually work? Is it magic? Well, in our next section, we pull back the curtain and completely demystified it, turning AI from this magical black box into a practical, understandable tool for every single teacher. And here's maybe the biggest aha moment. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to be your teammate, your thinking partner. It's a prediction machine, not a magic wand. And because of that, sometimes it makes things up. It can hallucinate. And that's why your expertise, your human verification, is more important than ever. You are the essential human guide for this incredible technology. So how do you guide it? How do you become the boss of the AI? Well, this is it, the 5X prompting framework. This is your secret weapon. By telling the AI the situation, the task, the style, the scope, and the safeguards, you go from getting kind of generic answers to creating amazing, high-quality, classroom-ready resources every single time. All right, so once we get the tech, we've got to talk about the most important piece of the puzzle. Us, our own roles. Section 3 was all about exploring that fundamental change for educators in this new world. This part was huge. It's about letting go of an old identity. The sage on the stage has officially retired. Our new job title is the guide on the side. We're here to facilitate deep thinking. And by automating all that boring admin, we get to focus on empathy, on the human connection that really matters. This is how we prepare our kids for jobs that don't even exist yet and empower them to be creators, not just consumers. And this slide just says it all, doesn't it? We're moving away from being the dispenser of facts at the front of the room. Instead, we're becoming the guide on the side, working right alongside our students, coaching them and helping them on their own journey of discovery. Okay, so this brings us to the really big questions, right? The tough stuff. Ethics, academic integrity, student safety. How in the world do we use this powerful tool responsibly? And the answer is so powerful. You don't become AI-proof by banning AI. No way. You do it by outsmarting it. You design assignments that require real thinking, real creativity, what we call productive struggle. It's about focusing on the journey, the process, not just the final answer. And check this out. Talk about a simple, brilliant way to make your AI policy crystal clear. The traffic light system. For any assignment, you just set a red, yellow, or a green light. The students know exactly what's allowed. It's so simple, and it's a game changer for academic integrity. Whew! Day one was just incredible, wasn't it? So many big ideas, so many frameworks. But here's the thing. That was just us warming up. The mission continues. Because tomorrow, oh, tomorrow, we get our hands dirty. We're going from what if to how to. Imagine getting all your planning hours back. I'm going to show you step by step how to build your very own 10-minute resource factory so you can create amazing customized resources for your classroom in just minutes. You really, really do not want to miss this. So I have to ask you, are you ready? Are you ready to move from all this amazing theory to real action? Are you ready to completely transform your workflow and get your time back? Now, I know life happens. If you can't be there live tomorrow, or honestly, if you just want to have all this knowledge in your back pocket forever, the replay is your ultimate toolkit. It gives you lifetime access to the full recordings of both days. You can go back, review, and implement these strategies whenever you want at your own pace. It's a serious investment in yourself. Look, don't let this moment of inspiration fade. This is your moment. The future of your classroom, it's right here in your hands. Your transformation starts now. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow.